Welcome to the Explainer. I am so incredibly pumped you're here. Today, I'm going to be stepping into the role of your personal mentor, and we're going to map out a safe, proven path to help you make your very first $100 a day online. And honestly, the absolute best part, we're going to do the whole thing without putting a single dime of your hard-earned savings on the line.
So, how do you actually make $100 a day without risking your life savings? I hear this exact question literally all the time from complete beginners. And hey, if you're feeling anxious about this, that is completely valid. There is a lot of noise out there right now, and frankly, a lot of traps. So, today we are aggressively prioritizing zero risk and low risk strategies. We want maximum return for minimum stress. Basically, we are looking for the absolute laziest yet most effective ways to build up your income.
All right, let's just dive right into the roadmap. We'll kick things off with Part 1, the guide to your first $100. Then jump into Part 2, the zero-risk AI Shopify Store. After that, Part 3 covers low-risk affiliates and freelancing, followed by Part 4, which is a major warning on high capital risk methods. Finally, we'll wrap up with Part 5, your step-by-step to $100, and Part 6, your daily success checklist. Okay, Part 1, the guide to first $100. Because before we just blindly pick a side hustle out of a hat, we need a really rigorous framework to evaluate these opportunities safely.
Now, what's really interesting about our evaluation criteria is how it acts as a massive garbage filter. We are judging every method across 5 categories. The learning curve is simply how fast you can start earning. Fulfillment is how annoying it is to actually deliver the product or service. Scalability is how easily you can grow your income without, working twice as hard. But listen, as a beginner, I want you to focus entirely on those last 2, startup capital and risk level. Our primary goal today is to keep both of those things as close to absolute zero as humanly possible. We want zero financial danger and absolutely zero stress. Which brings us perfectly into Part 2, the zero-risk AI Shopify Store. This is honestly the ultimate beginner shortcut that completely bypasses all those usual technical headaches.
$1.99. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. Compare that tiny, almost invisible startup cost against the thousands of dollars you could lose trying to launch other ventures. Here is exactly how this works. You head over to a free tool called Build Your Store AI. You just drop in your name, your email, and pick a niche, maybe pets, maybe electronics, whatever you're into. The AI instantly builds the layout, the banners, the color schemes, the whole shebang. Then you connect it to Shopify using a 3-day free trial that literally turns into just $1 a month for the first 3 months, so that covers the first dollar. But what about the whole fulfillment side of things? Well, that's where the 99 cents comes in. And this is where it gets really cool, because it brilliantly illustrates how AI has completely flipped the script. You connect an app called AutoDS, and they have a 99-cent trial. AutoDS is a fully automated fulfillment app. It finds the trending products, automatically updates your pricing, and get this, when a customer buys something from your new AI-built store, AutoDS ships it directly to them. You literally never touch a shipping box. You never hold any inventory in your garage, your learning curve is practically zero, the scalability is completely unlimited, and your upfront risk is exactly $1.99. It is the ultimate lazy, safe method.
All right, let's shift gears a bit and move to Part 3, low-risk affiliates and freelancing. Now, these alternatives require just a tiny bit more elbow grease, but they still fiercely protect your wallet.
When we put these two head-to-head, freelancing, like doing video editing or graphic design, has zero startup capital. You really just need your laptop. But the learning curve is like 6 months just to build a decent portfolio. Plus, fulfillment is genuinely hard. You're dealing one-on-one with tricky clients on sites like Fiverr or Upwork who are constantly demanding annoying revisions. And your scale, it's entirely limited by how many hours you have in a day. On the flip side, we have affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions just by promoting other people's products. The learning curve here is incredibly short, like 1 to 2 days. Fulfillment is completely effortless because the product owner handles all the messy customer service. The scalability is massive. Now, you might want to invest around $250 to pay a video editor to chop up some short-form content for you, but honestly, you can just edit the videos yourself, entirely for free. Let's actually map this out to show you how crazy fast affiliate marketing can be. Day 1, you're signing up for programs on sites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or a really great platform called Impact. You're just hunting for companies offering high commissions. Day 2, you create or edit some short-form content promoting those specific products. And then Day 3, you post that content organically, and boom, you start driving clicks right to your affiliate links. There's no inventory, there's no unsold stock collecting dust, and pretty much zero pressure. And if you want concrete proof of how scalable this is, just look at how massive organic short-form content has become lately.
Remember when Andrew Tate's online course was skyrocketing? Creators were literally just clipping his videos and posting them organically to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. They just slapped their affiliate links in the bio or the comments. People were making thousands of dollars a month doing absolutely nothing but clipping and posting. You do not need to mess with paid Facebook ads anymore. The free organic reach that is available right now is just staggering.
Okay, putting my protective mentor hat firmly on right now because we need to talk about part 4, warning high capital risk methods. Let's shine a light on some of the super popular online side hustles that actually hide massive financial risks for beginners.
Just think about the sheer amount of upfront cash required for some of these other ventures. We already know the AI Shopify Store costs about $2 to test out. But an eBay shop, you need at least $500 right out of the gate just to buy initial inventory from wholesale suppliers like DHgate. And don't even get me started on Airbnb Arbitrage, which is where you lease a property long-term just to rent it out short-term on Airbnb. That requires a frankly terrifying $5,000 to $15,000 of upfront cash just to secure a lease and buy furniture.
Because tying up thousands of dollars in unsold stock or signing a binding lease, that completely defeats the purpose of building a lazy, low-risk income stream. With Airbnb, you have to beg landlords for written sublet permission. Then you're managing cleanings, dealing with check-ins, and you usually end up paying for expensive software like Guesty or Hostfully just to keep your head above water. With eBay, you are fronting $500 for stock that might literally never sell. Plus, you have to personally box and ship every single item. And you are absolutely guaranteed to deal with stressful customer returns and straight-up scammers. It's just the cost of doing business on that platform. For a total beginner, these headaches are simply not worth the financial danger. No way.
So, the most crucial thing right now is getting you moving. Part 5 is our step-by-step to $100. Let's combine the absolute best of what we've learned today into a safe, actionable battle plan. Here is your foolproof, zero-risk path to crossing that first $100 finish line. Step 1, head over to Build Your Store AI and let the platform design a free storefront in a niche you actually find pretty interesting. Step 2, activate that $1 Shopify trial and the 99-cent Auto DS trial so you can fully automate your product sourcing and shipping. Step 3, don't just stop there. Multiply your income streams by signing up for an affiliate platform like Impact to find complementary products to promote. And finally, step 4, start aggressively posting organic, short-form content on TikTok and YouTube Shorts to drive completely free traffic to both your Shopify store and those new affiliate links. Now, having a battle plan is fantastic, but let's be real, part 6 is where the magic happens, your daily success checklist. Because daily consistency with these low-risk methods is the true secret to scaling up. Let's look at your new routine. If you genuinely want to replace that 9-to-5 grind, it all starts by simply ticking off these super low-stress tasks every single day. First up, check your AutoDS dashboard. Just confirm the AI is fulfilling your orders smoothly while you slept. Second, use the tool to push a couple of new trending products to your store so it always looks fresh to buyers. Third, spend an hour or so clipping and editing some new short-form content. Fourth, push that content out across all the major organic platforms. And finally, peek at your dashboards on Impact or ClickBank to see which affiliate links are getting the most clicks, so you know exactly what kind of videos you need to make tomorrow. So there you have it. You now understand exactly how to dodge those high-stress, high-capital traps that catch so many beginners. You got the exact roadmap, you know the AI tools to use, and you've got your daily checklist to make that first $100 a day online completely safely. The only thing left to do now is to actually take action. So I'll leave you with this to chew on. Between the fully automated AI Shopify store and the organic short-form affiliate marketing, which zero-risk method are you going to launch today?